In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Superset account. If you're new to Apache Superset, this quick walkthrough will get you set up so you can start exploring and visualizing your data easily and with confidence. First, open your favorite web browser and head to https://superset.apache.org. Make sure you're on the official site so you know you're in the right place. The homepage highlights what Superset can do, but we'll go straight to creating your account. On the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click it. Depending on updates to the site, this may take you to documentation or a sign-in screen. Don't worry, we're focusing on the sign-up flow, and the next steps will be similar no matter how the page is arranged. If you're prompted to choose an option, select Sign Up to create a new account. Some deployments label this as Create Account or something similar. You'll be taken to a simple registration form. Now enter your details, provide a valid email address, pick a username, and create a strong password you'll remember. A good practice is to use a password manager so you don't have to reuse passwords. If you see a box to agree to terms or policies, check it after giving them a quick read. Then submit the form to continue. Next, verify your email. Open your inbox and look for a message from Superset. It usually arrives within a minute or two. If you don't see it, refresh your inbox, check your spam or promotions folder, or use the resend verification option if it's available. When the email arrives, click the verification link to activate your account. This confirms you own the email address and helps keep your account secure. After your email is verified, return to the login page. Enter the same email or username and your password, then sign in. If everything is correct, you'll land on your Superset workspace. You're ready to explore. From here, you can browse existing dashboards to see examples of interactive charts, open data sets to understand what data is available, or start creating your own visualizations. The chart builder is great for point-and-click creation of common charts. Just choose a data set, set your metrics and dimensions, and preview the result. If you're comfortable writing queries, SQL Lab gives you a powerful editor to run SQL, explore results, and save them for charts and dashboards later. Take a moment to explore the menus and the search bar. They make it easier to find content as your workspace grows. And that's it. Your Superset account is ready. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.